Hey, good morning. This is Eddie with Multi-Man Services here in Beloit, Wisconsin, doing an estimate for window washing, deck cleaning, get the solarium washed on the south side, a little pressure washing on the deck here. And I thought I would talk briefly a little bit about how our process works and what we specialize in. So we'd probably start with getting the gutters cleaned out, making any minor repairs needed so that they're functioning properly. And then moving forward, we could put an inexpensive gutter cover over the top of them, which should keep them a lot cleaner over time and make sure that they're functioning properly. We got two gutter guard options. I'm not going to talk too much about gutter guards unless you'd like to have that conversation. But essentially, it's way better than allowing for your gutters to fill up in a few months and then they're not functioning. So no gutter guard out there is going to be a set it and forget it type solution. All of them eventually will fail. They require some sort of maintenance. So flip the camera around here and we'll talk a little bit about the window cleaning. The process on cleaning your windows, we would need to remove all your screens, and then we would wash all your windows with a water-fed pole from the ground, and that purified water is going to attract all that nasty dirt, minerals, and get the windows super clean, and you don't have to worry about any streaking or spotting happening due to improper squeegee techniques. Now, unfortunately, in order for us to get your windows clean on the inside of your house, we'd have to use squeegees, and we got a trained crew to handle that for you. This way to approach your windows over here is for us to give them like a soft wash. They're full of mold. We got to get that washed down and get the debris off first, and then we can do our normal window cleaning process on these. A little bit about what's going on with a few of your windows. It's almost to the point where we're going to have to do some restoration. You have a lot of oxidation frame bleed out on some of your windows. This is on the front of your house. If you look at them, normal window cleaning techniques really wouldn't remove that. An acid and a buffing bronze wool pad is what's necessary to get that restored and removed, but it's worth it because it's going to help keep that glass really clean and not get etched and damaged. It might be a wise idea to have that frame oxidation removed on the front of the house. Otherwise, it's just going to keep running down on the front of your glass. The deck surface here, I would suggest a soft wash cleaning similar to your glass. We'll apply our cleaner to the perimeter of the perimeter of the walls and up here and the deck. Well, down there, get this pressure wash, move your furniture around, rinse the furniture down completely. Your wood is going to go from black and gray to bright white and wood color again after we're done with it. It'll be kind of restored at that point. Put a coat of sealer over it, call it good. I would suggest to do an oil base. Don't mess with any water base, acrylics, or latex, because then it's going to trip, crack, and peel. But right now, as you can see, this is kind of green and slimy. It's a trip hazard, so we'll take care of that. Take you back here to the garage area. Maybe you'd like to separate the windows from the garage and the house. You don't look out them very often, but this is pretty much what we specialize in, the exterior home maintenance. When we go to wash the sides of your garage here, we're going to have to do a little removing of the paint because it's pressure washing, getting that restored. So it's already coming off and peeling off pretty good, and we want to get this cleaned up here. One suggestion that I have, it looks like someone spent a lot of time and energy rebuilding this door, so maybe it would be wise to have some sort of a water diverter put up here, and we would collect the water and just shoot it off away from the wood in the door. Stay wood longer, prevent it from rotting away. My name is Eddie, owner operator of Multi-Man Services. Feel free to pick the packages down below that best meet your needs and your budget. Obviously, the more services you pick, the more efficient we can work while we're on your property. And look forward to working with you. Thank you so much. Cell, call, or text 815-520-6020. Thank you.